Yo, I just finished building this Polymarket bot, and I think I've got it right. It's made $468 in the last 4 minutes and, I don't know, 4.5 minutes. It's not 100% accurate, but let me walk you through how it works. So, through here, you're gonna get the market scanner opportunities, and this is where people are essentially placing market buys at any price for, let's say, a yes on will Trump be the Republican nominee? So they're putting down $1,300 on a yes, right? But they're not actually saying at which price specifically they're putting down that $1,000. They're just buying it at any entry price, okay? So their market buy is essentially pushing up the price because they're not doing a limit order, and therefore I can front run their order, buy up all the shares at one price, and then sell them the amount of shares they want to buy at a higher price because they're guaranteed exit liquidity. Well, it's not 100% yet. It's got a win rate of 87%. You can see all the trade history here. It's usually just like small scalps, you know, nothing crazy for like one trade. You know, like $10, $20 every so often, a couple losses every so often as well, you know. But so far it's doing pretty good. As you can see, I think this is like the fastest it's made me money yet. I don't know if it's because that's like Christmas Eve or something, but what I'll do is in the next video, I'm gonna drop a link to this. It's for free. I'm not gonna charge for this.